Well, China set specific targets for marine environment protection in its 14th five-year plan in 2021. It outlined that by year 2035, 79% of nearshore water quality will be improved and at least 400 kilometers of its coastline will be restored. To achieve this, China has set up more than 50 national oceanic reserves, helping to increase the number of marine species to over 28,000. It has also set red lines covering more than one-third of its coastline, facilitating global migration of over 240 migrant bird species every winter. In addition, China's annual fishing ban lasting from May to September covers all the 4 seas around the nation. And China has also been conducting regular pollution control and monitoring operations in a bid to better cope with disasters involving waste discharge and, of course, threats to marine ecosystems.